Ever stared up at the sky and wondered if there was more out there? More worlds, more adventures, maybe even a shimmering bridge connecting them all? Well, if you've ever delved into the myths and magic of Norse mythology, or maybe just caught a Marvel movie or two, you've probably heard of the Bifrost, the legendary rainbow bridge. But who exactly holds the power to open this cosmic highway? The most iconic wielder of the Bifrost is undoubtedly Heimdall. Standing as the ever-vigilant guardian of Asgard, perched atop the rainbow bridge itself, Heimdall possesses senses so sharp he can see for hundreds of miles and hear the grass grow. In the myths, it is Heimdall who sounds the Gjallarhorn, the horn that signals the coming of Ragnarok, the twilight of the gods. This crucial role as Asgard's sentinel inherently links him to the Bifrost. He is the gatekeeper, the one who watches over its shimmering expanse and, when necessary, can likely activate its power to allow passage between realms. Think of him as the ultimate customs agent, deciding who gets to travel the cosmic superhighway. However, Heimdall isn't the only one with a potential key to the Bifrost. Odin, the Allfather, the wise and powerful ruler of Asgard, also wields immense magical abilities. As the head of the Aesir and a master of various forms of magic, it's highly probable that Odin possesses the knowledge and power to command the Bifrost. While the sagas don't explicitly detail him opening it frequently, his authority and magical prowess suggest he wouldn't be locked out of such a vital piece of Asgardian infrastructure. It stands to reason that the one who oversees all of Asgard would also have dominion over its primary means of interdimensional travel. Interestingly, the Bifrost isn't just a static structure. It's often depicted as a conduit of immense energy, a raw force of the cosmos harnessed to bridge vast distances. This inherent energy might also be manipulated by other powerful beings or artifacts. In some interpretations, particularly within the Marvel Cinematic Universe, we see others, like Thor with his hammer Mjolnir, or even specialized technology, capable of activating or utilizing the Bifrost's power. While these depictions often take creative liberties with the original myths, they highlight the idea that controlling such a potent force might not be limited to a single individual. Perhaps specific spells, ancient artifacts imbued with cosmic energy, or even sufficiently advanced technology could tap into the Bifrost's capabilities. Consider the sheer scale and magical nature of the Bifrost. It's not just a bridge made of earthly materials, it's a shimmering pathway of light that spans the cosmos. To command such a force likely requires not only immense power but also a deep understanding of its inherent properties and the energies that sustain it. This could further suggest that only those with a certain level of magical aptitude or divine authority could truly open and control it. So, while Heimdall stands as the primary guardian and likely the most frequent operator of the Bifrost, the possibility remains that others, particularly Odin, and perhaps even those wielding significant magical power or cosmic artifacts, could also command its shimmering passage. The Bifrost, after all, is more than just a road, it's a testament to the interconnectedness of the 9 realms and the potent magic that binds them. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.